Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you had a lovely weekend. Right, so I have to say I miss you lots and lots. That's why today I came with a game for our phonics lesson. But I thought it would be good and fun if we start with phonics lesson by looking and saying the voice sounds. I know all of you in Red Base know how to do this, so I would like you to use a really loud and proud voice. Are we all ready? Right. Remember to do the actions as well. Ready? Wee! Well done again. Wee! Fantastic. Let's see what else have we got here. Ready? Let me hear you. Fantastic. You are doing amazing. Let's see who can remember what sounds got next. Ready? B, 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 boing, 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 b, 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 boing, 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 boing. Your turn. Fantastic. Right, let's see what's coming next. Our favorite. Are you ready? Ready? Moo! Well done. Your turn. Fantastic. Right. This is our favorite. Are we ready? All together, please. Ch, 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 ch. Should we go faster? Ready? Ch, 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 ch. Fantastic. And everybody using your beats. Ready? Zzz. Your turn. Superstar, well done. And we're gonna do one more. Oh, everybody getting your clock ready. Ready? Tick, 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 tock, tick, tock, tick, 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 tick. Your turn. Fantastic. Right, give yourself a round of applause. Well done, you have done amazing. Now, today I come to our phonics lesson with a new story. Would you like to listen to my story? Yeah. Right, so today I brought here with me, who can remember what was the name of this pen? What did you say? Amazing, well done. His name was Pinky. Yeah, I would like to see all of you doing his initial sound. Ready? Well done. Now your turn. Amazing. If you see when we put our finger to say his initial sound. Amazing. Well done. Right. So everybody, this is Pinky decided he wanted to go to explore the outside today. So he went to explore the outside. He saw some butterflies and he was playing when he thought he was a bit hungry. So he decided to explore the outside, but everybody knows that Pinky is a bit fussy. So he said, I only can eat things that begin with my initial sound. Can you help me to think about something that I can eat that begin with? What did you say? Amazing, well done. So here we got pear. Well done. Now, Pinky said, hello, pear. Oh, do you begin with my initial sound? Let's have a look. Pinky and Pear. Do they begin with the same initial sound? Amazing, yes they do. So Pinky decided she was gonna eat the pear because remember, she only likes to eat, to play, and to talk with things that begin with p. So then she went to eat the pear, and then she decided that she wanted to tell all of you that she is, who knows, his name is Pink, but she is a, what's this? Well done, she's a pen, yeah? This is the pen, Pinky, yeah? So he decided that exploring the outdoor, he wanted to do some painting. So she found a, what's this? Amazing. Paper. Oh, your name is Paper. Do you begin with my same initial sound? Do you think they begin with the same initial sound? Should we have a look? Pinky. Paper. Do they have the same initial sound? Yes, they do. So what is the initial sound? Can I see your fingers? Amazing. The initial sound is p. Well done. But Pinky was about to write on the paper when he realized he has lost his ink. I can't believe it. Ink. You don't begin with my initial sound. Oh, let's have a look. Pinky. Ink. Do they begin with the same initial sound? Do they begin with the same initial sound? No, they don't. The initial sound for Pinky is p. And what is the initial sound for ink? Amazing. The initial sound for ink is ink. Well done. I can't believe you don't begin with p. We cannot be friends anymore. And then off he went. Ink was feeling really sad. So he decided he was gonna go to explore the outside as well. When he found a what's this? Well done. Iguana. Well done. So does ink and iguana begin with the same sound? Amazing, yes they do. What is the initial sound for ink and iguana? Well done. So they decided they were going to be friends forever. But then they decide to go to explore the outside again. And they found, who can remember what was the name of this mouse? Inky, yeah? Now hold on a minute. Inky and ink. same initial sound. Amazing, yes they do. They go E, 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 E sound. So, Ink decided he didn't need Pinky anymore because his friend Ink could help him to cry. Well done. So today's sound are E, 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 P, P, P. Now, I wonder if you can find at home some items that begin with E, 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 P, P, P. Or maybe you can draw it. Maybe you can take some pictures and put in tapestry so I can see. Right, so this is our phonics lesson for today. I hope you have enjoyed our story. And remember, you can do it yourself by looking at home for some items with different initial sounds. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and I will see you tomorrow.